So this is a commercial property, a corner property, and as my thumbnail says, prices are such that you can negotiate till you drop. It's now nearly impossible to get such prices near Manyata Tech Park. This is hardly 5 minutes from Manyata Tech Park. So guys, this video is for you. There was nothing available in this price, that too with a commercial, that too which is a commercial property and also a residential. तो काम तो अभी भी चल रहा है इसका. तो this is a quick video. Actually owner wanted me to shoot this video after the completion, after the work is done, but यहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि this is 90% completed and in another 1 month everything will be handed over here. So I just came here. देखा मैंने ये सेमी कमर्शियल और कॉर्नर प्रॉपर्टी है, तो मैंने सोचा कि वाई डोंट आई शूट द फर्स्ट पार्ट, एंड अगर अवेलेबल होता है प्रॉपर्टी देन मे बी वंस इट्स completed then I will maybe at that time I will complete the second part once it's completed, but I doubt that this property is going to be available in coming next 10 days 15 days. So anyways, so this is the 1 BHK property in the ground floor. This is a rental income property, BBMP e-khata property, and baki price, size of the plot and the building details, everything I'm going to give you, the location, सब कुछ मैं बताने वाला हूँ. तो अभी हमने कवर किया है ground floor. So let's go to the first floor. And after the first floor, let's see what all is available. So right now I'm in one of the typical floor. टोटल कितने फ्लोर्स हैं वो मैं आपको इसके बाद बताऊंगा. तो stay in the video and also let's check this unit. So this is a huge spacious living with a French window which is connecting to a balcony, and the false ceiling work done in the ceiling, and a beautiful wall unit. And that door जो सर ने अभी खोला सामने, this one looks like as if it is a part of the wall unit, but this is, what is this? अंदर जाके देखते हैं. अगर मैं ये डोर खोलूँ तो अंदर है क्या? We'll just look that as well. So this is a beautiful wall unit where कई जगहों पे ग्लास फिटिंग्स भी आने वाले हैं इस वॉल यूनिट में, एंड द सीक्रेट डोर राइट बिहाइंड द वॉल यूनिट. तो गाइज मैंने वो रूम देखा है एंड इट इज़ रियली फैबुलस आइडिया बाय द ओनर. एंड इसके बाद आई हैव कम हियर टू द वन ऑफ द बेडरूम. सो लेट्स चेक दिस बेडरूम एंड देन लेट्स गो टू दैट सीक्रेट रूम which the owner has made, and then we can understand that what exactly was that. So this is one of the balcony attached to the bedroom. This is quite decent balcony, and right there you saw there was in bedroom. So let's go to the top unit which is a typical unit. वहाँ पे जाके check करते हैं the second bedroom as well. तो वहाँ पे मैं आपको secret room भी दिखाऊंगा. तो guys quickly comment and let me know that what is the land price per square feet going on in your area. Thank you so much. The moment I enter, again it is the same layout, same design. The living right in front is the wall unit, and next to the unit is the secret room. The door is open already, so वो भी हम check करते हैं. And we forgot to check the kitchen in the, so I'm going to take you to the kitchen as well. तो इसके बाद secret room भी देखते हैं, and after that please comment में what is the per square feet land price going on in your area. Don't forget to mention. So this is the room that was left out in the ground floor. In the first floor, this was the room that we left. So here we have a complete wardrobe done. So the property is coming with semi-furnished, and this is an attached toilet for this bedroom. The moment we enter, here we see the kitchen which is completely done, quite spacious, not bad at all, quite spacious kitchen. इसके बाद चेक करते हैं the secret room, and this has two windows in the kitchen because this is a corner property, so the ventilation is really good in the kitchen. So over here, right in the front side, there's a window, there's a balcony as you already saw attached to this bedroom. So there is one attached toilet to one bedroom and a balcony to the other, so two bedrooms here, and this is the secret room. So let's go inside and check what is there in the secret room. So this is a beautiful looking common toilet for the people who visit from outside and for the family as well. So this is a beautiful toilet right behind the wall unit, and just next to it is the bedroom. So right now I've come to the terrace, and from the terrace this is the kind of look of the colony, and from here we can also look at Manyata Tech Park. So Manyata Tech Park is very close by, hardly about 5 to 10 minutes from this property we can reach Manyata Tech Park. So this is the kind of locality very close to Manyata Tech Park, 5 to 10 minutes from here. So this is the terrace. तो चलते हैं, let's look at the outer elevation. So there you can see Manyata Tech Park right in front of you, and I've come outside and I can see the ground floor is a combination of a shop and 1 BHK, and in the first floor we looked at a 2 BHK, and in the second floor again there is a 2 BHK, and the terrace is open. So this is the front elevation. Right in front we can see in the ground floor there is a shop, you can see, and in the first floor is the 2 BHK. So this is a corner frame. Here you can see there is a road on the left and right. BBMP B khata with an individual E khata. The ground floor rent would be 23,000. The first floor 2 BHK will fetch 18,000 rupees, and the second floor 2 BHK would fetch 18,000 rupees rent. So overall the building would fetch nearly approximately 60,000 rupees rent easily every month. And coming to the dimension, to the road it is 20 and the depth is 40. So 20 to the road, 40 is the depth. So 800 square feet B khata BBMP with an individual E khata, and the cost of this building is 1 crore 40 lakhs, 1 crore 40 lakhs, and the main facing is east facing to the road and the other side is a south facing. So totally this is southeast facing property. So there are two different properties like this. तो एक कॉर्नर में है और उसी के बगल में एक और प्रॉपर्टी है which is the same 20 by 40. So there are two different twin properties in this video. So don't forget to call me. My number is in the description. जल्दी मिलते हैं अगली नई वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए don't forget to hype my video. The hype button is given below this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.